All right, I'm going to try this. This is some of the problems from the problem set. Dishin, this is module 4, lesson 16. Dishin is sorting his rock collection. 2/3 of his rocks are metamorphic, and 3/4 of the remainder are in igneous rocks. If the 3 rocks left over are sedimentary, how many rocks does Dishin have? All right, so first we divide this into 2/3. He's sorting his rock collection. Okay, we do not know how many he has. So this is our question mark. We do not know how many he has. Okay, so we have to find out how many of these rocks he has. So first of all, we know that 2/3 of the rocks are metamorphic. So these are metamorphic, and these are metamorphic. Okay, that's 2/3. Now 3/4 of the remaining are igneous. So out of this, 3/4 are igneous. So I'm going to create this again. And I'm going to divide this into fourths. Why fourths? Because it says here fourths. And it says that they're igneous. So I'm going to put an I in them for 3 of them. Why 3? Because it says 3 right there. If the 3 rocks left over are sedimentary, how many rocks does Dishin have? So it's saying that this is 3. So that's the leftovers are sedimentary, and it's 3. So if you look, there's 3 here, and 3 here. So how much is that? 3 times 12, or 3 times 4, excuse me, which is equal to 12. Sometimes my brain goes faster. So if this is 12, then what's the metamorphic here? 12. What's here? 12. And you would be able to get 12 times 3, and that's going to get you 36. Any questions? Okay, this is going to go, this one went backwards. I did a lot of the questions in class that went forward. Okay, so hopefully that helped you. So there's 36 rocks. All right, let's go forward. Park is wearing several rubber bracelets. 1/3 of the bracelets are tie-dye. 1/3. So let's go ahead and make our tape diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. Okay. So 1/3. Okay. Are rubber, wearing several rubber bracelets. 1/3 of the bracelets are tie-dye. 1/6 are blue, and 1/3 of the remainder are camouflage. Okay, now here we're getting thrown an extra problem. It says 1/6. So guess what? We have to divide these into 6. Doesn't really affect the tie-dyes, but it will help us understand that 1/6 are blue. Okay? 1/3 of the remainders are camouflage. If you look already, we have 3. But let me go ahead and make another one. And we'll cut them into thirds. And one of them is camouflage. So this is camouflage. I don't know what to use for cami. Okay. 2 bracelets are camouflage. If the park wears 2 camouflage bracelets, how many bracelets does he have on? Okay, so that's 2. All right. So basically this is a 2, and this right here is 1/6. Excuse me, let me put it on the bottom. This right here is 1/6. So basically we can have 2 times 6, and that gives us 12. So there is actually 12 bracelets. I'm not writing my sentences. Okay, so he's wearing 12 bracelets. Okay? So there's a 2 there, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So you get how we get times 6. All right. Let me see what else I have. Ahmed spent 1/3 of the money on a burrito and water bottle. The burrito costs 2 times as much as the water. The burrito costs $4. Whew, a lot of information here. All right, so let's start off with what we know. Always start off with what you know. We know, let me actually do this really quick. We know that 1/3, we're going to cut them into 1/3 again. Okay. Of his money of burritos and water. So this is burritos and waters. Okay. The burrito costs 2 times, so we're dealing with just this section here, just the intersection here. Because the burrito costs 2 times as much as the water. So we need to show the burrito underneath and separate it from the water. So that's basically what we're doing. So if the burrito is twice as much, it means that there's 3 parts. How do I know 3 parts? Well, because the burrito would have to take up 2 parts and the water would take up the last part. Now, we know that this burrito costs $4. How much does the water cost? Some of you can guess by just looking, but you can also do some math here. We know that 2 units is equal to 4. So 1 unit is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So we can say that the water is $2. So this part right here is $6. How much money does he have left? So that is talking about this part. We're not sure how much he has over here. So it's asking us how much is over here. Hopefully you can see that this part is our question mark. But if we have 6 for here, we have 6 here and 6 here. So that means this is equal to, you guessed it, $12. All right, there's the homework. Hopefully this is helpful. I'll go back. Now, don't forget we also had some other problems that you can look at. If you didn't copy them, you can pause it. Oops, not that one. All right. May the force be with you.